Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you how you can earn $350 daily using a new website just for free. Yeah, this is true. I'm going to show you today this amazing opportunity. Just stick to my video. This is before that. This is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, let's move on. Today I'm going to show you this website, a new website which is for free. You can earn more than $350 per day. That will be great. So the site I'm going to show you is hiresign.com. Hiresign.com. This is a great site that going to pay you for various type of jobs they have right now. And if you go through their site, and they have explained everything for you in here, and they provide various type of job openings. If you scroll up and move on to the current openings section, they are showing you that how many jobs types they have right now. So if you click on current openings, and this page will show up, and they are showing that online work from home opportunities they have, and they are not asking for any money. They are free to register, and they pay regularly. They support you 24/7, and they have a global exposure that is available worldwide. So the jobs they provide are available worldwide, no matter where you live in the world. So if you scroll down in their current opening section, you can see that they have lots of jobs like typing jobs, proofreading jobs, paid survey jobs, graphic designing, PowerPoint, Excel, voice recognition, online advertisement, language translation job, and so on. And if I scroll up, and let's take it one by one, which is typing jobs. This is very easy to do jobs right now. Anyone with any type of experience or no experience at all definitely can write some words. That is the main point here. You can just type as a online or offline typing assignments, which you can execute on a Microsoft Word or any other software like that, and they are going to pay you $4 to $6 per page, and that is 2000 words per page. And this is very easy to do. 2000 words, it's not that easy. It's just 30 minutes of work. You can earn $6 for that. So if you can do even 20 pages, this is just what you can do it in couple of hours. That's it. In 2 hours you can do. If you are fast typer, you can definitely do 20 pages per day, and this is it. You get around $100 for that. This is really awesome for typing jobs. Then if you are not interested in proofreading jobs, you can do that as well. They are giving you $5 to $10 per page you proofread on MS Word or any other software like that. If you do not know about grammar, or you are not professional, there are lots of website and sites out there. For example, Grammarly.com, they are the professional in this proofreading field. So you go Grammarly, you use their subscription, and use just proofread, get jobs from Hiresign, and do the proofreading job there, and submit the result to hiresign.com. So that's it. You get $10 per page. See, if you get 20 pages per. This is very easy 5-minute works if you use a software, and then you get $100. If you just post 10 page, then you get $100. 20 pages is $200 per day. This is awesome. The next job is paid survey jobs, which is you already know. Companies are going to show you some products and services that that needs your opinion about it, and they're going to pay you for that. But I personally don't recommend this, because these surveys sometimes takes longer to complete or difficult to complete, and sometimes it's a really tedious jobs to do. So I do not recommend that, but you can do that, and you can earn up to $5 to $50 per survey for this jobs type. So move on to the next field, which is graphics design jobs. They're going to provide you lots of graphics designing jobs, and you can earn $15 to $40 per assignment. And this is really cool, because you do not if you do not know any graphics designing work, what you can do, you can still do these jobs. And you just go to freelancer sites like freelancer.com, peoplepower.com. You hire a freelancer and do a professional work. If you do not do, if you can't do it, you freelance it, you outsource it, you just make the job done by any freelancer, and then get the output from that freelancer and submit that project to hiresign.com, and you're definitely going to get paid at least $15 per assignment. And I'm sure if you use a freelancing website and provide a graphic designing jobs like that, they are going to provide you professional designs. So you definitely have a great chance to get paid $40 per assignment, and that should be awesome for anything anyway. So let's move on. If you just submit 10 jobs per day, how much you calculate? $400 per day. This is awesome. That is why I'm talking about this website. The next job is PowerPoint presentation job, which is also great. Everyone do needs PowerPoint presentations, and everyone can work. Every business person, every office needs PowerPoint presentations for their meetings, and this is a really great way to hop in and do the jobs. You can use you definitely, this is PowerPoint slides. Making PowerPoint slides is very easy, and that's why it's $3 per PowerPoint slide. And this is easily, if you do 10 or and 20, is easy $50 to $60 per day, which is very easy. Then the next job is Excel job, and that is a little bit complicated job to do, but you have to learn some Excel work to done these type of jobs. They are going to pay you 2 to 20 cents to 40 cents per cell, Excel cell. That is really awesome. But these jobs are need a little expertise from your side, so this is not easy to do, but you can do if you know Excel. Then the next job is voice recognition jobs, which is also called transcription job, and this is really awesome, because they are going to provide you some medical prescription slips, and you have to convert it into text and audio format, which is very easy. But the payout is $15 to $40 per assignment, which is really great payment. And you can also outsource this type of jobs on freelancer. But I'm definitely, I'm sure that you can understand English. If you know English, you can do transcription job. This is very easy. Just listen to those medical scripts and just convert it and write it into Word and say it record it on your phone or PC and submit those files to hiresign.com, and you're done. The next page is online advertisement. This is a professional work, so you can do it if you know it, but that's also great. And the next job is language translation job, which by which, if you know other language than English, then these sites will going to pay you for translating those words, and they are going to pay you $10 to $30 per page, which, and the page contains 1 to 1200 words. That is really awesome. So like if you just submit 10 pages and you get $30 per page, that's easy $300 per day. This is awesome. This is just like a 1 hour work if you know other language. And every job has a link below here by which you can know more about those jobs. You have to just click it. If I click, just for instance, if I click on language translation jobs, then they're showing you how you can become a virtual language translation. They have briefly explained how the payment rate and how you have to approach the job, what is the job skills and requirements, and so on so forth. You can read it and understand it, how you can do it, but this is very easy to do, and these are work from home jobs. You do not have to be a 9 to 5 jobs, and this is you can just work whenever you want, wherever you want, in your living room or wherever you want. This is easy to do jobs, and the payout rate is really competitive, and they are saying that the 10 to $30 per page is exceeding the US average hourly wage. That is really awesome. So you definitely should apply for this type of jobs. You can see that if for this job, language translation, if you know like Spanish, French, Arab, Hindi, German, or any other language, you know that language, and you can translate it into English, and that's it. You can start earning money using like a translator. Here you have to just go down below, and here you can see that apply to be a virtual language translation. If you click that, then this apply to section will open, and you can see that they have a 3-step process: review the hiring process, submit job application, and complete a sample project. You can go through each steps and see how they are going to share accept you, and how you can submit job. To submit job, you click on submit job application, and this form will pop up, and here you can click on apply now. Then the application form will show up, and you just fill up some username, first name, last name, email address, age, password, and select your notice period, which is immediately. I recommend immediately, and then apply for which job you are going to do. Then select that job and select your country. You can see most of the countries are applied, and most of the countries are allowed here. Your current work status, you can choose anyone from the work status, and briefly explain something about yourself, and click the agreement and register, and you are good to go. Then in the next step, you have to go to their sample projects like this. If I click here, they are going to show you a sample project like this. All you have to do, if you are a translator, all you have to do is get this page, get this image, and if you know it, just translate it into a word and a audio format, and submit those files to their email address here, and you are done. You are going to enter into their review process, where they're going to review your job application and your project, sample project that you have submitted, and they will decide if you are ready to accept their jobs or not. And this, I'm sure, if you are honest and if you are sincere and you complete your sample project and submit it properly according to their rules, you definitely going to get accepted by them, and you are going to get jobs regularly from them, better flexibility, you will have more time and freedomness as well, and you will get money for your work. And this is really awesome earning money opportunity by which you can earn more than $350 per day, and you have to be active and money will follow you. So guys, if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button. If you're like this video, you please press the like button. And this is it. Work regularly, be active. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.